You want to eat better to feel stronger, and one way is to cook like your ancestors. Foods without a list of ingredients you can't pronounce, or sauces without seed oils that are repurposed lubricants. This protein-packed frittata is made with farm-fresh eggs. So nutritious, eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamin, with a wide range of vitamins, minerals, high-quality protein, and good fats. This sheet pan frittata is not your traditional and tricky technique, but a simple pour and bake one. Perfect for adding a silky texture to already cooked leftovers for the next night's meal. It's also great for serving a crowd or a make-ahead meal because you can serve it hot or cold. Start with whatever cooked plant and protein combination you have on hand. Here I have about 2 cups golden beets and zucchini sauté from one of our French vinaigrette dishes, full of bright flavor, crunch, and nutrients, and 2 cups from our weekly protein meat braise. This is our amino-rich lamb shoulder roast. Links to both of these delicious recipes are in the notes below. With a large mixing bowl, simply add your eggs, ideally free-range and without hormones or antibiotics. We also have a 1/4 cup cream of choice. I like to use canned coconut milk, free of additives and preservatives. A couple of pinches of kosher salt, and then whisk with a fork. Only enough to blend the whites and the yolks. Overbeating will cause the frittata to poof in the oven, but then fall into a denser layer when cooling. Grab your trusted 1/4 sheet pan, one of my kitchen staples, and a parchment paper for lining. Trust me when I say lining your sheet pan is a lifesaver. There's a link to my favorite below. I like to fold each side based on the dimensions of the pan. Add in your leftover plant and proteins, and remember, everything is already cooked, and pulling these items from the refrigerator to bring to room temperature helps with baking the frittata. And make sure to spread evenly for level, satisfying bites. Pour your protein-rich egg mixture evenly over the plant and protein combination. Take a meditative moment to savor your good-looking, oh-so-easy dish full of powerful nutrients, free of additives and preservatives. Add toppings you might have on hand, like herbs, or here I have a few chopped spring onions. Place in a preheated 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked through and lightly browned on top, pull your frittata from the oven and let set up for just a few minutes before cutting. That's it. An easy, delicious, and nutritious way to use up leftovers. Enjoy.